Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to repair PST and OST files in Outlook 365. If you've been experiencing issues with corrupted or damaged Outlook data files, this built-in repair tool can help restore your emails and get everything working smoothly again. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. This allows your emails to load properly and ensures that Outlook is running correctly before we begin the repair process. Give it a moment to fully load all your data. Once your emails have loaded, we're going to locate the Microsoft Inbox Repair tool. This is a built-in utility that's designed specifically to repair PST and OST files in Outlook. It's already installed on your computer, but it's not immediately visible in Outlook itself, so we'll need to find it through your file directory. To locate this tool, assuming you did a default installation of Microsoft Office, start by opening your local disk C. This is where most programs are installed by default. From your local disk C, click on Program Files. This folder contains all the major applications installed on your system. Under Program Files, locate the Microsoft Office folder and open it. You're getting closer to the repair tool now. Once you're inside the Microsoft Office folder, look for and open the root folder. From here, you'll see a folder labeled Office 16, though this number might vary slightly depending on your version of Office. Click on it to proceed. Inside the Office 16 folder, scroll through the files until you find the ScanPST app. This is the Microsoft Outlook Inbox Repair tool. Click on it to launch the application. A new window will open, presenting you with the interface for the repair tool. Now that the repair tool is open, you need to locate the specific PST or OST file you want to repair. Click on the Browse button. This will open another File Explorer window where you can navigate to your Outlook data files. These files are typically stored in your User Profile folder, but they could be in a custom location if you've moved them previously. From the File Explorer, navigate to where your PST or OST file is stored. Once you've found it, click on the file to select it, then click Open. This brings you back to the Microsoft Outlook Inbox Repair tool window with your selected file now displayed. With your file selected, you're ready to begin the repair process. Click on the Start button in the Microsoft Outlook Inbox Repair tool. The tool will now scan your file for errors and attempt to fix any corruption it finds. This process can take anywhere from a few seconds to several minutes depending on the size of your file, so be patient and let it complete. The tool will display progress as it works through the repair. Once the process finishes, you'll receive a notification that the repair is complete. Your PST or OST file should now be repaired and your Outlook data restored. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.